Hello fellow gardeners. We're out here at the soil pile and we're going to build you a tub today that this is especially for the truckers that haven't been working in all of this virus and the truckers, just all of them, because you know they're on the road sometime for 3 weeks before they get to come home and see their kids. So we're going to show you how to build a tub. You can be on vacationers. I mean, this is for everybody, but I mean especially for the truckers because they're working so hard for us to keep us going. And we need to say a little prayer every night for the truckers, for the doctors and nurses, the healthcare workers, the maids that's cleaning the rooms, and just on and on. Everybody's having to work at the grocery stores, at the service stations. So just keep them in your prayers and let's get through this virus deal. I want to show you how to make this tub that we're going to go 3 weeks to a month without having to re-water. All you need is 2 tubs. One tub that does not have any holes in it, and we're going to drill a hole up here right at the top. That bucket, a black bucket I'm going to put in there, comes right above that just a little. So we're going to drill that hole up there where it'll hold about 12 to 14 inches. That's 6 and 6 inches, 12 inches right there of water. That's what we're going to do. That's the only hole in this tub is that one little hole right there, 12 inches up. Just about the size of your little finger or next to your little finger right there. Just as long as it gets a weak hole so we can unload that water. It gets up fuller than that. Alright, we're going to use that. Only hole in it. Then we're going to take one of these buckets. Now this bucket came off of a fruit tree or a shade tree. It's one of them little, what they call 5-gallon buckets. It comes with a holes in it like this, you know, that for the drain for the tree. But anyway, this tree has been taken out of this, just an empty bucket. We're going to fill this up completely full of soil. I'm going to show you here, try to show you all this at one time. Here's the little bucket full of soil. I filled it up. And we're going to set it over in the middle of that tub. Okay? Right in the middle, like that right there. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to set this other tub in there. We're going to take another tub. Now, I'm using different colors so you can kind of see. You can use the same color tubs, or you can, we don't make any difference. Okay, what I want to show you is some of these tubs come that would split. You see that split in the bottom of that? Well, everybody thinks you can't use that tub for anything. But let me tell you, I figured out a way that we're going to use these tubs with a split in them. Yes, if this was going to be your bottom one, then you'd have to line this or either fill it full of good caulking that won't crack, and fill it full of caulking so it hold water. But I'm going to use this one for the top bucket. Okay, you see that crack? All right. I'm going to take another bucket with the same thing, and we cut that crack out. See what we did? We took that. Let me tell you what we did. We took this bucket that had a crack in it across the middle, and we measured this. See how big that hole is? We marked it right there around that ring. Right in around that ring. So we cut it out right inside that ring a little bit so that we can wick from the bottom up through this. This is what we're going to use. This is the 2-bucket method, 2-tub method, especially for the truckers and those that go on vacation. All right, we've cut that hole out. We drilled us a hole in here for our 1-inch pipe. That's where our pipe is going to go down through there to fill it with. So what we're going to do now, we'll fill this one full of soil up good and round. Now we're going to set this one in there on top of it. And you can see that hole fits right there with that soil. It makes a good fit right there. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to fill this up full of soil, and that water is going to wick up through that bucket right on into this soil up here. Now, there's one thing I do that you don't have to do. Let me find my little piece of cloth that I laid out here. Yeah, you see what I did? There it is right here. I had it there ready to go. Now, I cut a little piece of, well, this is called shade cloth. Now, you can't use the ground cover across there because it's too thick. And you don't have to put this in. And I'll tell you why I put it in here in just a minute. We cut this to lay in there to cover that hole up. Now, see, it's still real porous, so the water's going to go through it. But we're going to fill this tub up now. And when we get it full and growing in it, and if for some reason you wanted to change this out from a summertime to a wintertime plant, and that's the reason I do it, is because we change these plants out. In the fall, we put in pansies in tub and take up there, and we take our summer plants out, bring it home, and put our pansies in. So we're using, 2 different tubs to do that instead of having to go up there and build them up there. You see, when you pick this up and you got soil in it, that cloth there in the bottom is going to keep your soil from dropping out. So we've got that in there like into that, across the bottom. Now we're going to fill this up with soil. This is our good soil that's mixed with pine bark. It's got peat moss in it, coconut core, perlite, and I'll mix pine bark in with it. Just any good compost or anything. I'm not telling you to use, you got to use exactly this. Just some good loose mix. If you go to some of the box stores or something and buy their real good mix, that's okay. Just anything like that. We've had to help people all over the country try to decide what is best. There's a lot of people online and on Craigslist or something that's selling a compost that's been composted for a year. That's what we use. We use these wood chips and cow manure. We add them together and you don't let them cook for a year. And that's what we grow our plants in. So, but when you don't have that, you have to buy, and this is kind of what you buy is a good mix like this. You should have me a helper if they're having to do this. Usually that's done quicker, but y'all just bear with me. We're about to be full. All right, 1 or 2 more and we're going to quit. There's a Johnson grass root that's like it too. All right, I like my tubs up here pretty full. Just about liking to that. Now then, you know what I didn't do, Jackie? Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't put her fertilizer in, but I'm going to tell you, this is the way a lot of people say, well, what can I do? I've already got my tub full. You know, when I'm building this tub, I'm supposed to stop about halfway and put my sea mineral in and put my sustain in and my lime and my Epsom salt. But now then, you've got it already full like this. You've maybe grown in for a year or two. You don't have to dig it out to put the fertilizer in. So what we do, if you're going to put that tomato plant right there in the middle, then we're going to go around the outside. We're going to dig this back a little bit like this. Just show you some things because people are questioning me about how they can do this without having to dig the soil out. Just dig that little trench right there like into that, okay? And we're going to get my little dippers here. We're going to dip our, there's our quarter cup of sea meal we're going to put right around there like into that. You're going to say, oh boy, this is a lot easier. Here's my half a cup of sustain I put around there, okay? All right, just like into that. And then we're going to get our little dipper and we're going to put our 2 tablespoons of gypsum, not gypsum, excuse me just a minute. Epsom salt and 2 tablespoons of lime. We're going to put that lime around there also. Now we've got 2 tablespoons of lime, 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, a half a cup of sustain, and a 1/4 a cup of sea mineral. Now we're going to cover that back up like that right there. Okay? We'll cover that right back up. Now then, we're going to put our tomato plant right there in the middle. Okay? Set your little plant down in there and cover it back up, and you got your tomato plant ready to grow. Now, some of you that's going to put 4 in there and let them hang over the sides, it's kind of hard to do this one, but you can. I mean, they'll grow out on the ground some, but use the shortest plant you can get, like some bush variety. And if you're going to put 4 of them in there, well, then instead of putting that fertilizer around the outside, now I was going to put 4 tomato plants in there. Okay, instead of doing that, then I would dig me a ditch right across the middle instead of putting it around the outside. Now that's for 1 in the middle, but now you're going to put these 4 in there, 4 tomato plants instead, and I would put my fertilizer. I'll put just a little to show you. I'd put all my fertilizers right down through here like this. That way, then I'd cover it back over like this, okay? No, I haven't hurt anything by putting a little extra fertilizer in there. It Okay. Now you can put your 4 plants in there and let them hang over. Now if you'll go this way with this one and this way with this one, you get about a 12-inch more extra growing room before they hit the ground. So I hope this helped you a little bit on this here tub like this. This is a wonderful tub. Anybody can do it, use it. I'm not just, but I just kind of put this out special for the truckers and the folks that's going to go on vacation. If you like this,
hang on, one question.
You got a question, Jack?
I got
go
a
ahead.
Question. Is this specifically to be used for tomatoes, or will this work
anything?
For
you
anything?
Can put your lettuce in here. Yeah, that's a good answer. Good question. You know, folks, when you get to that, now if you're going to put lettuce all over it, then you got to scatter your fertilizer down in there a little ways. You can't just. I don't want them roots, them new roots, just touching that fertilizer. You know, in other words, I wouldn't want to plant a plant right out here in this lettuce when I got that fertilizer all piled up in there. You need to scatter in there if you're going to do it there. I don't want to confuse you, but and I'm glad you asked that, Jack, because you can grow anything in this. You can grow your potatoes, you can grow your lettuce, your spinach, your tomatoes, your peppers, eggplants, cantaloupe, watermelon. Let's just go on and on. I mean, it's just, you got to use a little bit of common sense. If you're going to put lots of plants in there, just scatter it all around and then kind of cover it up with some more soil. It doesn't hurt to take you long to take a little bucket and dip some of this out, and put it out there deep in here. Put your fertilizer in it, pour it back on top of it, plant your plants in it. And anyway, another question Jack's got.
Yeah. On your fertilizer, you said not to put the roots next to the fertilizer. Why?
Well, I don't want to burn them. It's kind of like you don't take a little baby and give them, some strong soda pop or something, or some strong drink, or something strong food to eat. You got to give a baby a milk. And that's the way it is these little plants. When you're growing these little baby plants, plant in here, transplant in there, you don't give them this strong of fertilizer. Just like we put in the bottom of this tub. You know what? I didn't even put my pipe in there. Where's my pipe in? Isn't that something? Y'all sure gonna get on to me about this. I gotta have this big one right here. Yep. All right. I think that hole was right over here. We gotta go in. I'll have to dig this out and put it in there, folks. I can't put it in there, but that goes right down through that hole all the way to the bottom. I didn't hit my hole. But anyway, before you put this soil in, please put that pipe all the way to the bottom. And I'm gonna get on the jack here in a minute.
Well, it's cold out here.
Oh, it's cold out here. Okay.
That's fine.
It's about 40 degrees out here, folks. Anyway, that goes all the way to the bottom of your tub to fill in with it. I'm sorry. But I'm back to this. You don't put strong fertilizer, pure 1 teaspoon per gallon on those baby plants. You only use it half strength on babies. When you're growing those little plants in those little pots, use your fertilizer 1/2 teaspoon per gallon and water them with it. You won't burn them. But now we've got them up bigger now. By the time they get grown and get the roots down in there, they're going to be big enough that they can take that full fertilizer 1 teaspoon per gallon. Okay? So I hope I haven't confused you instead of helping you this morning. But anyway, if you like this video, subscribe, push the button, ring the bell, and we'll make you another one.